Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to crypto prediction today, or Bitcoin price prediction, or Bitcoin forecasting. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, the daily candle, what it done for us here, it gave us here a pin bar that indicating the market is going to go higher, guys. But I don't think we are going to go higher till here. We are just going till maybe here or something. Because here in that level, we got here a very stronger supply and demand zone. Here we got another one, as you see it. So there is a lot of levels the Bitcoin is need to pass. And the volume down is very low because investors till now they still, what can we say, they still scared because retail traders, all of them, when they saw it is going up, that's when they started entering. No one of them is very courageous to enter from the bottom like here, and don't blame them because that's how it's market those days. And here in the daily, guys, what else we said we got here that two levels, or that inside bar here, if you remember it, the one when FTX collapsed, then the next to it, that green candle, and us we enter from here. People they been with us that time. Now us here, till now we still waiting. Plus I told you we used to have here that level here, and that's why us we enter in the 4 hours from here. And as you see here, us we still here. Stop loss of us we said we're going to put it down because us we want the price to reach till here, till that level here. That just for swing trading, guys, not for long-term investment. For long-term trading, forget about all technical analysis about everything. Every week, every day, every month, they say, or dollar cost averaging. Forget about all those things. Forget about the media, forget about the news, because majority of the news, they are just going to make you scared, and they are going to play at your emotion, and they are going to make you to get fair and to sell in losses, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? By the way, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus, guys, we put in for you every day 2 videos. One after European market close, or the time of European market close, and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's not something hard, just a red button down, he telling you, hey, mister, click at me. You click at it, next to it a bell, turn it on. So like that, when we put in something new here, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go in to see what the DXY or the dollar index doing, for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here it is, the dollar, guys. As you see the dollar now, it came here to that level. As I told you, in the Bitcoin is the same thing here applying for the dollar. That level here is that the 200 moving average, as you see it here. And here it's showing us a indecision candle. And even if you go back here to the past here, look with me here, very close what I'm going to do. As you see it, guys, from here, last time he used to react like a stronger resistance, then he become a support here, and now we are in it. So we need to make a close eye at it, either if we are going to break lower here and to break the 200 moving average, because that one is a very stronger level, guys, or from here we are going to go back up. So we need to wait in next week, guys, what the market is going to tell us. But the good news here, we're breaking that uptrend we used to follow, if you remember. The next one, guys, is the 200 moving average and the downward trend here. So we need to make a close eye at them. Still not US dollar, guys. It's showing here, it's giving us here a high and now a low, but it needs to break the 200 moving average to confirm for us. So let's wait till Monday, guys, what the market is going to do, because as you know, majority of you, Saturday and Sunday there is no volume and the market is just going to stay here. And for the US dollar, the market is closed. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, also we enter long because we used to have here that triangle here. That one here, as you see it, when it's breaking by that candle here, also we enter long. We put in the stop loss down. As you see it, guys, it came back, it tested here, now it's going up. As you see it, it came back, it tested here, now it go up. Now it's going to stay here sideways, and I tell you that in the last video. I told you Saturday and Sunday we're going to stay here sideways. Till Monday we're going to see a move. Picture is too clear, guys, and I show you here that head and shoulder before, that one here, and I told you the target is going to be here in that level here. at that place here, that the first target, the second target of us is it here in the top here at that supply and demand zone. So let's wait in guys Monday what the market is going to do. Now the volume Saturday and Sunday is going to be very dry. No volume. Picture is too clear, guys. By the way, yes you my friend, did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, please. Helping us, guys. You know that channel with how Twitch can growing up. So support us, guys. Support us. If you like our analysis and you don't want us to stop giving you analysis, please support us by just smashing that like button. I wanted to reach today at least to 40 like. And write down comments, guys. Writing down comments. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now let's go into see our indicators with the same for picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, as you see it, he came here, he break that level here. Then now we go back inside here, that zone here. And also we said in that zone, we don't need to do nothing. We need to wait in either to break up or either to come down to break lower here. So till now also we are in a moment of waiting, and as I tell it to you, Saturday and Sunday there is nothing to do, just to wait. Same thing here, guys. There is nothing new. There is no bulls, no bears the controlling. And here in the top we got the downtrend of the divergence. As you see it, we came next to it here, then we show here a falling. So we need to wait in the coming days, guys. Picture is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here used to be here at the oversold area, as you see it. Level we used to be in a very stronger level. I'll show you all those things. Plus we have here that pattern or that price action, that one here, as you see it, guys. When it's breaking here in that zone, we enter long. We put stop loss down here. So we are waiting now. Price action of us, it need to be here in that zone here, guys, as you see it. That the take profit of us. We need the market to come till here. Then we're going to see if it's going to break upward or from here it's going to fall down again. Till now we need just to wait, guys. Also we are in a trade and we need to wait in if it's going to hit for us the take profit or stop lose. And our indicator, as you see it, is it at the middle. We need to wait until it reach in here to the overbought area at the right time for us to take profit, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. In 30 minutes, last video, what did I told you here? Here in that place, what did I told you? People, they been with us. What me I said here? I said you got here a wedge. If it's breaking upward here, you need to enter long. Did it break? Yes. You need to be now. You are in a long position, guys. Where it need to be the take profit of you? Here. That last peak here, guys. Where is the stop loss I told you? Down here. Why? I'm going to tell you why. Let's see our indicator, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, it's still going upward. It's near to the overbought area. So when it's going to come here to the overbought area, you need to take profit. By the way, if you are new and you want that indicator here, that one here, there is one video here in the channel. His name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Search for it in the videos. Then in the description of that video, you're going to find that indicator. And even in that video, we show you how to install it in your TradingView. And we give you the source code of that indicator. So go and get it and don't change nothing in the setting of it to get it like how me I get it now. Picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.